Not only for ladies, but also our gentlemen should take care of their hair. Introducing our Lotus Caviar with collagen treatment, a product not only for women but also for men. But what it is exactly? Let's find out. Lotus Caviar with collagen treatment is the new and natural technique to repair hair. This keratin treatment works best on dry, damaged and overly porous hair. A blend of keratin and collagen to deeply repair damaged hair and best treatment for the restoration of the hair that lasts up to 6 months. Start by washing your hair thoroughly using Lotus Caviar with collagen deep cleansing shampoo 2 times. This ensures a deep cleaning and allowing the opening of the cuticle of the hair strand. After washing, towel dry. Divide the hair into 4 parts, securely tied each section with a clip. In a mixing bowl, pour a small amount of Lotus Caviar with collagen loss reductive, starting at the nape of the neck towards the front. Apply 2 cm at the roots of the hair of each section using a brush or a fine comb. Follow a simple timing chart. Leave it from 30 to 45 minutes. Cold dry the hair using hair dryer for about 80% to 100%. Divide the hair into 4 parts. Start ironing from the nape of the neck going towards the front onto the other section, separating into thin layers, and iron 7 to 10 times before sealing of the cuticle be completed. Rest the hair to cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. It is now to apply the Lotus Caviar with collagen Restore Mask. Apply the treatment in thin wicks of the hair. Allow the process to sit for 15 minutes and rinse well with running water. Lastly, dry the hair using hair dryer to finish. For longer effect of your treated hair, use Lotus After Treatment Set for daily use. Lotus Caviar with collagen treatment works from inside and out for the natural technique in restoring the strength and elasticity of hair fibers and reduce breakage and split ends. The result is soft, shiny, and beautiful hair that you want it to be.